It got a hold of him.
Gives a try, Cass.
Oh, there he goes.
Where is it, Mama? Where is it? Catch it up, Cass. Catch it up.
Oh, get it, boy. Right that. Right that.
Catch you up, Mama.
Is that a good one?
Look at him swinging, mate. He's tripping his brain.
He's tripping off it. Oh! Oh! Holy! Oh! Holy! Holy!
Face, man.
Holy!
You're wrecking the wall, this face, man.
Holy shit, that.
Oh.
You'll be right, boy, don't worry. Ride it out.
He's flying.
Ride it out, he's flying.
He's fucking on top of the world now, man.
He's on the world.
Holy fuck.
Work it. Stealth. How does it feel, Stealth? Silvia. Work it. Holy fuck. Yeah, it did that to me too. I videotaped it. I was fucked up. Woo-hoo. Look at him go. He's there. Hey, Carl, how come you're not going like that?
I'm gonna smack some of this one.
It's all gone.
Just a little bit of.
Kid Cudi.
That's fucking amazing. That's cool.
Rude. Fucking right, you're missing it, boy. Kid Cudi. Playing some music. Holy fuck, that's just vicious. Kid Cudi. Holy fuck. Fuck yeah. That's vicious. That's what it's like, man. It's like that. Just made me forget. Holy shit. Hey, we're upstairs. Oh yeah, fuck yeah. Hey, why did you tell him that, fuck?
Let him on. He just dropped the bomb straight away.
Fuck yeah, he just grabbed him. Oh. Here, look, up against the wall. Up against the wall, Terry. Up against the wall. There you go. He's sweating. Got his sweat on.
He'll be coming down soon now.
Yeah, he'll be coming down soon.
Yes.
Fuck, that's what Carl wants to be like.
So you look when you're juiced, Carl.
So you look when you're juiced, yeah. Carl going to bed there. Yeah, he's coming out of it. And 1, 2, 3, and cut.